Today, we'll be talking about a fragrance that I always wanted in my youth and never got it until now.
Latin spice, here to make you smell nice. Latin spice, here to make you smell nice. Latin spice, here to make you smell right. Latin spice.
Welcome to Latin Spice. My name is Manny, and I'm here to help you out with your fragrance journey. So if you like fragrances, if you like this type of content, I'm going to ask you right now to make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so that we can push these videos out to the YouTube algorithm and everyone can enjoy this amazing content. Today we'll be talking about a fragrance that I always wanted when I was younger, and I always wanted their clothing when I was younger, and it reminds me of my high school days. And I never got it, and I found it in Burlington for $19.99. And I said, you know what, I'm going to try this because I've always wanted something from this brand, and I was never able to get it because I didn't have money to buy this at that time. So I always thought it was very expensive anyways. And what am I talking about? I'm talking about Ed Hardy's Love and Luck. Love and Luck, all right? So, you know, these are always the artistic drawings. They were always a little weird. They had, you know, dragons and gorillas and tigers and all this kind of stuff. And to be honest, I never knew too much about the brand. I never really learned too much about it, but all I knew is that all of my friends, they had hats from Ed Hardy, jackets, jean jackets from Ed Hardy, and clothing and t-shirts and all this kind of stuff. And I thought it looked pretty cool because everybody else was wearing it. And now today I look at it and I'm just like, wow, thank God I did not spend my money on that. I would never wear something like that today. However, their fragrances, they do have a number of fragrances, and young people back in my day in 2008, 2009, 2007, all those later 2000s, we all liked it. So here it is right here. I did find this in Burlington, like I said before, for $19.99. I still have the sticker there, so that way if you guys don't believe me, well, you will believe me now. There it is right there, $19.99. All right, so you could purchase this if you want to for that price. They have a ton of these out there. So let's just get straight into it. This is really, I would say, what is it? Not rubber. It's definitely not rubber. It's like more like carton, honestly, paper carton. That's what it is. So we have, it looks like on the top, right? And then the bottle's pretty interesting. So they have kind of like the art there, and it's like a plastic cover for it. Looks pretty interesting. And then when you take this out, that's basically what it looks like. Completely clear, nothing special about it. All right, it's just completely clear. There's a sticker on the bottom. It tells you how much fragrance you have in there. And that's basically it, guys. So, let me spray it and I'll tell you what I think about it. Is this really something good for $19.99? Well, let's see. I don't remember how much this was back in the day. I don't know if it was $60, $80. I don't remember. All right, guys. So what I get from it is I get kind of like a soapy, woody smell, citrusy, very young, very teenager-like, alcohol smelling as well, and really something that if I was a teenager, if I was back in my days where I was 16, 17 years old, and I sprayed this on, I'm pretty sure that girls would be like, you smell good. Is this something that I consider really nice today? Well, it all depends how you feel. You know, if you're okay in your 30s and you want to wear this in your 30s, that's up to you. Would I really wear this out there? Not really. In the summertime, take a shower and put this on, probably. Put this on house. However, I did show my wife when I got this and I wore it, and she actually really liked it. So, you know, For girls are gonna like certain things. Now, obviously there's some women that are extremely sophisticated, and if it's not a niche fragrance and you're wearing Dior Sauvage, forget about it. They don't want to talk to you. But the regular lady, the regular young woman, I think she won't have any problems with this one. It smells young. If you're 17, if you're 18, I would definitely comp this up for $20, and to add something to your collection, why wouldn't you, right? So let's talk about what's actually in here so that we know what's in there, and then I'll give you my ratings on this, all right? So in the top, you have mandarin orange, bergamot, orange, and cardamom. In the mid, you have violet, cypress, and sage. In the base, there's cedar, vetiver, actual wood in here, and musk. So there's oud in this fragrance. So if you want a $19.99 oud fragrance, this is right here, guys. No, it does not smell like oud at all. I don't smell any oud in here, okay? So it's not a sophisticated oud or anything like that. It's just there, maybe a very minimal amount of it, but yeah. So let me give you my ratings on this. This is the Eau de Toilette, all right? For projection, you're going to smell it. It's going to project without an issue. It's just not the most powerful, and it's not something that is super beast mode fragrance. So it's an 8 out of 10 for the projection. The Sia is just the same. You wear it, people are going to smell it, and if there's a young lady around, 18 years old, 19 years old, she's probably gonna compliment you and say that you smell good. So 8 out of 10 for the Sillage as well. And then for longevity, a lot of people complain about the longevity in this one. It only lasts 4 hours, it only lasts 2 to 4 hours, it only lasts 5 hours, 6 hours. I get a good 3 to 4 hours using this one. It's an Eau de Toilette, and for the price, it's not bad, guys. It's not something that's gonna disappear in 15 minutes. Like, for example, St. Bart's from Tommy Bahama. But this one is okay. It does 3-4 hours. It does its duty. It's an Eau de Toilette. You can wear it in the summer. It's gonna make you smell younger, and some of the younger ladies are going to like this one. So for that rating, I would have to say it's an 8 out of 10. Now you might say 8 out of 10 is too high for something that disappears in 3-4 hours, but again, it's doing its purpose, and it does it well, guys. It does it well. So I bought it. It's a pretty big bottle. Well, it looks like it's a big bottle. How much do we have in here? We have 100 ml, so it is a full-size bottle of this for $20. And for all of those 18, 19, 20-year-olds that are watching this, comp this up. Comp this up in Burlington, and I don't think you're gonna have any issues. Like I said before, your lady, your girl is probably going to like it, all right? And that's that. So if you're building a fragrance collection, you want to add something to it to put on the shelf next to that Dior Sauvage that you have in there and other designer fragrances, why not comp this up for $20? So that's all I really can say about this one. Let me know what you guys think. Does this remind you of your high school days? For those of us that watch my channel, and most of you that are watching my channel are probably my age, 25 to 35 is pretty much the demographic that I have in my channel watching the most. But we do have our 40s, some 50s, and even some 60-year-olds watching this, and we do have a 2% female population watching my channel as well. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's all I'm really gonna say about it, but you guys let me know what you guys think about it. So like always, I'm Latin Spice, and I'll make sure you smell nice. Take care, guys.